In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Nina Astrophotography. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the general process of downloading and setting up Nina, known as Nighttime Imaging and Astronomy. Keep in mind that even though I'm gonna give you basic instructions, I cannot cover every single portion of this application and how to use it. It requires a lot of detailed instructions. The features here are very advanced, but I'm still going to give you a general rundown on what to do if you want to start using it. So for the installation and setup, go to the official website at nighttime-imaging.eu and download the latest version. So you can click on Get Started, or you can browse through the buttons here and click Download. After you do this, launch Nina, and in the Equipment tab, you will be able to connect your camera, mount, focuser, filter wheel, and auto guider. Click on the Add New option for each device, and you will be able to set them up through this UI here. Inside, you can configure settings, so various aspects of Nina such as the file-saving locations, the plate-solving software, and other general preferences. It's recommended to configure your plate-solving software like STAP or PlateSolve 2 here, as it is crucial for accurate targeting. For the basic workflow, you will be framing your target in the Sky Atlas tab. You will be creating a sequence, running your sequence, and optionally auto-guiding. Afterwards, focus, flat frames, reviewing the images, and disconnecting. Like I said before, I apologize for kind of steamrolling through all of this, but it's impossible for me to cover all of this ground. As you can see, the UI is very advanced, there's a lot of things to explore, and if you are ever curious, browse through the documentation. They will guide you through the process of setting up, getting the requirements down, the glossary, the terms, and everything that you have to know to connect your equipment and start using Nina in a very advanced manner. But to download it, you can get it for free on the official website. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Nina Astrophotography. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.